And Pat, even though Governor Ivey wants to review the law, many suspect that she will sign it into law.
Well, I think it's ill-considered. I think we ought to do it, but Roe versus Wade was a put-up case. It was a phony case. Norma McCovey, who was the plaintiff, has disavowed her role in the whole thing. It was an ACLU job that depended on the so-called right of privacy that went back to a Connecticut case. And it was called Blackmun's abortion. It was so badly conceived. But nevertheless, it didn't just ban abortion in the first trimester, which is what Roe versus Wade said. It's been expanded to anything having to do with abortion, that anything that would stop a woman from having abortion. And I was so shocked when Hillary Clinton, in that debate with Donald Trump, said she was for partial birth abortion. And partial birth means that the baby is actually has left the birth canal and is partially being presented as a human being, and a doctor can then punch holes in the child's skull and suck its brains out. That's partial birth, and she was in favor of that and wouldn't want any restriction on that. Now, that's how extreme they are, and I'm afraid that the Vermont bill might have the same kind of effect. It's not something that we want to deal with. I think it's time that we stop. We've aborted over 60 million babies since Roe versus Wade, and the restrictions on any kind of restriction of abortion have been extraordinary. But the Alabama case, God bless them, they're trying to do something, but I don't think that's the case that I'd want to bring to the Supreme Court. John?